Audio Jungle.
News Earth Report, Continental Drift Theory.
And the three kinds of continental drift.
Hello everyone and good day. Your anchor John Rewell of the report. News about the Continental Drift Theory. To be reported by Miss Jana.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm Jana Navarro, your anchor. Continental drift theory. One of the earliest way geologists to continental move over time. In 1912, a German meteorologist named Alfred Wegener set forth the continental drift theory. And also, he thinks that continents are moving. Of course, people thought that was kind of a silly thought. How would continents possibly move? According to Wegener, suggested that perhaps the rotation of Earth caused the continents to shift towards and apart from each other. Today, we know that the continents rest on massive slabs of rock called tectonic plates. The plates are always moving and interacting in a process called plate tectonics. In addition, he actually believed that there was a time that they were all connected, and they have since drifted apart to their current location. He even came up with the name of that supercontinent existed in the past. He called it Pangaea. Pangaea is the supercontinent that he believed existed about 250 million years ago. Pangaea is actually an appropriate name, and it's a Greek term that means entire. Lastly, according to Wegener, Pangaea split up into two smaller continents. The northern continent was called Laurasia, and the southern continent was called Gondwana. This giant supercontinent, or Pangaea, was surrounded by the single giant sea known as Panthalassa, a Greek word for all seas. He pointed out how South America and Africa fit together. Ancient climatic similarities, fossils evidence, and rock structures support the idea of supercontinent. Thank you, and back to you, Raven.
Thank you, Miss Jana. And now, let's proceed to discuss the kind of continental drift. To reported by Miss Karen.
This is your anchor Karen Grace A. Padua, the sequence of continental drift. The first one is divergent. These bosses spent 5 years discovering that their tests were divergent and their tendencies incompatible. Regarding the origin of this class, two divergence views are still held. The two divergence views have been held as to the natures of the original hexapole stock. The classic example of divergent evolution is the Galapagos finch, which is Darwin discovered that in different environments the finch's bakes adapted them. The second one is convergent. This occurs when plates move towards each other and collide. When a continental plate meets an oceanic plate, the thinner, denser, and more flexible oceanic plates sinks beneath the thicker, more rigid continental plate. The west coast of South America is a convergence between the Nazca Plate and the South American plates. This is an example of convergent boundary. The thinner, denser, and more flexible oceanic plates sinks beneath the thicker, more rigid continental plate. The west coast of South America is a convergence between the Nazca Plate and the South American plates.
Thank you, Miss Karen.
Before we end the news, we would like to leave a quote says that all earth science must provide evidence toward the statement. I hope you guys stay well and safe. God bless.
78 days na lang, Pasko na!